Well, I started here like, goodness, like 25 years ago. I just walked by a store and it said Help Wanted, so that's why I started here. We have popcorn, like caramel, cheese, cinnamon, and then we sell candy and ice cream. Probably ice cream. I'm Rainbow Sherbet. Around since like 1950. This is like one of the oldest places down on, I think this is like one of the original places down on the plaza. And we're like the #1 retail popcorn store in the world. I come in here and I start popping popcorn. But then I do all my paperwork and bank deposits. And then I usually have to clean up from the night before because they're a little messy sometimes. I like bag popcorn, make candy, do ordering, help customers in between. Well, I had one lady before, it took her 17 credit cards before one went through. They all declined to. It's kind of funny. I'd maybe add a few more flavors, maybe like sour cream and onion and stuff like that. Bacon flavored.
Once a month, maybe. Caramel corn. I think it's the best in Kansas City. I'd like a smaller can, like a $10 can. That's what I would like.
And I like working here. It's a fun job. That's why I've been here for so long. So, I like working down in the plaza. You get mostly like out of town people. And sometimes you get like a lot of like Royals players and